नहीं दो यहाँ
वाह वाह Super sedap ya.
I think there's no question with the way India will play, but that should present opportunities for Scotland. They're going to be aggressive. They put the ball in the right areas, hit the legs, as they did against New Zealand. I thought they were very good in the power play, created opportunities. Lights on here, should be a bit of swing available to them.
Lagam tu. Nahi air tu. Gadero.
Here, Rahul Rocha.
कब को नहीं तो लगे
Bado.